Hello friends, many of you may still not be aware of SSC CGL online application process which is going on right now. The last date to apply is 23 January 2022. So if you still didn't apply, you should apply as soon as possible. There are various posts under Group B and Group C. Under Group B post, let me tell you the various posts under Group B and age limitations of this post. Number 1. For Income Tax Inspector, the age limit is from 18 to 30 years. Number 2. For Assistant Enforcement Officer, the age limit is from 18 to 30 years. Number 3. For Sub-Inspector, the age limit is from 20 to 30 years. Number 4. For Inspector, the age limit is from 18 to 30 years. Number 5. For Assistant in other ministries, departments or organizations, the age limit is from 18 to 30 years. Number 6. For Assistant or Superintendent, the age limit is from 18 to 30 years. Number 7. For Divisional Accountant, the age limit is from 18 to 30 years. Number 8. For Sub-Inspector NIA, the age limit is from 18 to 30 years. Number 9. For Junior Statistical Officer, the age limit is from 18 to 30 years. Number 10. For Assistant Audit Officer, the age limit is from 18 to 30 years. Number 11. For Assistant Accounts Officer, the age limit is from 18 to 30 years. Number 12. For Assistant Section Officer in MOR, MOEA or FHQ, the age limit is from 20 to 30 years. Number 13. For Assistant Section Officer in IB or MEITY, the age limit is from 18 to 30 years. And number 14. For Assistant, the age limit is from 20 to 30 years. And also under the Group C post, there are various posts. Let me tell you this post and the age limitations of this post. Number 1. For Auditor, the age limit is from 18 to 27 years. Number 2. For Accountant, the age limit is from 18 to 27 years. Number 3. For Accountant, Junior Accountant, the age limit is from 18 to 27 years. For Senior Secretariat Assistant or Upper Divisional Clerk, the age limit is from 18 to 27 years. 5. For Tax Assistant, the age limit is from 18 to 27 years. Number 6. For Sub-Inspector, the age limit is from 18 to 27 years. And the upper age relaxation is there: 3 years for OBC, 5 years for SC and ST, 10 years for physically handicapped candidates, and additional 5 years for physically handicapped candidates belonging to SC and ST, and 3 years for OBC category. In case of application fees, for general or your candidates, you have to pay 100 rupees. For EWS candidates, you have to pay rupees 100. For OBC, you have to pay rupees 100. And ST or SC and women candidates are exempted from payment of fees. In case of educational qualification, under Group B post, for Junior Statistical Officer, you should be a graduate in any discipline from a recognized institute with at least 60% marks in mathematics at class 12 level, or bachelor's degree in any discipline with statistics as a subject at degree level. For all the other posts under Group B, you should be graduate from a recognized university or institute. For Group C posts, you should be a graduate from recognized university or equivalent. And also, a candidate appearing for final year of graduation can also apply, although they must have required qualification on or before 23rd January 2022. For the list of exam centers, you can check out from the PDF file. So friends, if you're interested, you may apply soon before the last date, which is 23rd January 2022. So friends, if you like this video, then give a like for me and subscribe my channel for latest job info like this. Till then, see you in the next video. Thank you.